Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can make your own traditional looking fan shaped trellis such as this one for your garden just out of some scrap pallet wood. So for this project I'll be using some rough looking pallet wood, great to use to make garden trellis. The pallet wood was quite thick, it was 20mm thick, so I decided to go 20 by 20 squared for these pieces, and that should make them plenty strong enough. The next job was to give them a coat of stain. I've got this forest oak cuprinol duck's back, and I gave the pieces 2 coats of this. It helps to put all the pieces together like this and paint them all at the same time. So now I took all of the upright parts, and they're about 120 centimeters in length, and I squared them up with the speed square, and then I angled them outwards, just looking by eye how I wanted them to be. And then using the tape measure, I've got them equally spaced to each other. Now the trick is to get the first piece on. I want an overhang of about 4 centimeters on each side, and then I'm working out how much I'll need to remove on the next piece down and then the next piece down. And as you can see, here are my marks, and it's an equal amount of material as we work our way down the trellis to the thinner part at the bottom. And I cut these pieces out with the miter saw. If you know of a quicker way of making a fan trellis without any jigs, please let me know. I don't make them very often, so this is how I do it. Now I've got all the pieces ready to go. For assembly I've got these, I think they're 3.5 centimeter self-tapping screws, and again I'm just making sure that everything is equally spaced either side and where I want it to be, and I'm drilling pilot holes just to prevent splitting of the wood. Once the top piece is locked in position, it's easier then to carry on putting the next piece on without everything moving around. And again I'm using that tape measure because things move around quite easily if you're not careful, and if it's not all nice and accurate it will just look a bit weird to the eye. So the spacing between each slat is up to you. I just went with what looked right and then equally spaced each piece from the next piece. And as you can see, as the trellis goes down, the pieces get shorter but the overhang stays the same. My dad has quite a few climbing roses, so this should be good in the spring for those roses, and they look quite traditional, quite nice too in the garden. So now I'm on the last piece, and that last piece should lock everything together nice and solid. Then I could just hoover off all the bits of wood left by the pilot holes and paint the end cut pieces to protect the end grain. And that was the trellis finished and ready to put onto a wall or a fence. Here it is at my dad's garden, and I'm going to put it on one of the fences. To put it on the fence, I just use 2 screws either side. So it's still winter at the moment, but in spring this trellis should have a nice rose growing up it. Okay, so that's about it then for this video. So there you have it, a nice strong traditional looking fan shaped trellis, great for roses, climbing plants, etc. So if you did find this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.